The only thing I don't like about this yak is it doesn't have a cup holder. That's the only damn thing I don't like. So I'm gonna have to put a cup holder in it. We're out here in Aransas Pass. This is the very first time I'm putting this yak in the water. Real windy today. I probably shouldn't be putting it in there, but I've been waiting all week to put it in there. So we're just gonna go out there, somewhere out by those islands out there, and throw a couple of lures. I'm not really out here to fish. I'm more out here to test out the yak and see how it's gonna perform and what I need to do. I had to put the complete soft top back on the Jeep. And what's cool about this is those bars I installed, I don't have to remove them. So just to secure my vehicle and lock it up, had to load all this up right here, put all the camera poles on. So instead of putting the crate back there, I put my cooler back there because I'm gonna need some water. I'm gonna get a better crate system eventually. So got the cameras mounted. Not too happy about this pole right here. I'm just not happy about that at all. So we may end up putting this pole in this rod holder right here, because I think it'll do better right there just while we're traveling. I don't know, but everything's ready to go. I'm actually going to drag it over there into the water, and then we're going to go out between those islands to get away from the wind a little bit. This is really not to go fishing. This is more to test the kayak out and make sure I don't sink it. It ain't got no holes in it and crap like that. You know what I mean? We are running a contest. Look under the community section. If I don't catch a fish here on the next kayak fishing adventure, that will carry over. So make sure you go look at the community section on YouTube of my channel, because I update that every day. And that's where the contest information is. You can win some Adams Polishes products for your boat, your car, truck, Jeep, whatever you got. Let's get this thing out on the water. Here we go. First time out on the water with the Pelican Catch 120. We're just gonna stay right here. Then this thing is like freaking going in the waves, man. I don't know if I like this wind. Like I said, guys, I have no idea what I'm doing. Shit. Too windy, way too windy out here. I can't even paddle. So we're gonna get it to shore and drag it in. It's just way too windy. This is not the kind of day I want to be out here with all these cameras. This wind, look at this. This wind's just pushing me like crazy, man. There's no way I'm going way over there. I'd end up way the hell out there. Let's see if I can turn this thing and go against the wind. I mean, jeez. Louise, man. So let's see if we can paddle against the wind. This thing is just, it's too windy, guys. Way too windy. For me to be out here first time in a damn kayak. All right, here we go. It's about 20 to 30 mile per hour winds. Let's see if I can paddle back where the Jeep is. I can't even move. Of course, I don't know how to paddle. Yeah, I'm not moving anywhere against this wind. Yep, I'm not going anywhere. This wind is just way too strong, so I'm gonna have to bring the Jeep down here. Look at this. Well, don't look like I'm gonna be catching any fish today because it's just way too windy. I can't go upwind or anything. You guys are probably laughing your ass off at me. First time out on the yak and it's too windy. Oh, shit. Well, this ain't gonna work. So I don't know what to do. Apologize for not being a decent video, but I'm not gonna take a chance to get way out there and float way the hell down there. This ain't gonna work, guys. It's too windy. I can't paddle upstream. Oh shit. Where am I going? Damn. I can't paddle upstream. That's it. All right, we're gonna drag this beast back. All this time to get that thing in the water for that, just for that. Now I got to take the top off and jeez. Well, there she is, guys. Well, we can at least sit here and enjoy the yak for just a little bit. I can't say it performed well in high winds because it was freaking me out, guys. I mean, I was floating I mean, I got down here so quick it was unreal. And I'm trying to paddle to get back to where I was, and I ain't going nowhere. I'm just going down that way right there. But you guys can see behind me, I would have ended up way the hell out there. And I don't know what I'd done then. Pulled my chute on my freaking life jacket. Oh no, man, this is freaking crazy. I know this is probably the worst kayak fishing video you've ever seen, but this is my first time out, and wouldn't you know it, I come out here with gusts up to 35 miles per hour, which is kind of
stupid if you ask me.
But I wanted to get this thing out on the water to play around with it. Well, at least I got it on the water. It just scared the shit out of me. Oh Lord, this is freaking hilarious. Let's get this damn thing loaded up. Get it rinsed off and learn from this experience here. So my original plan was to go over there between those islands and go around those islands. But as soon as I took off out there, guys, the wind just literally pushed me all the way over there. Well, I was way up there. It pushed me right to the spot. So over there about where that pole is over there, I mean, in a matter of minutes, it pushed me clear over here. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, man. I started getting a little worried there. I started floating out and I was like, dang. I mean, look how far I floated down in just, I don't know, 10 minutes, not even that. But I should have known not to go out in heavy winds, guys. But I've been waiting all week to get this kayak out. And my sister's gonna be down here for the next 3 days. Hopefully she gets a kayak and maybe I can get this thing out over the weekend. But it is definitely way too windy today. Man, that started scaring me. I thought I was going to just float out to sea, man. I couldn't paddle worth anything. You guys got to understand, I've only paddled a canoe. I've never paddled a kayak in my entire life. And I'm telling you, I started getting worried there when I started floating out. I was like, shit, I'm gonna have to jump off and make a swim for it. But damn. Jeez. I swear, man, that worried me there for a little bit. I appreciate you guys watching this video, I really do. This was the first attempt, and it didn't turn out that good, as you can see. But as soon as the wind calms down, I will get the yak out again, and my sister's gonna have one. Hopefully this weekend we can get back out here on the water. But that was a little scary. I've never kayaked before, so I have no idea how to work a damn paddle like that. So all I was doing was floating, guys. But look under the community section for the contest. It's giving away the Adams interior detailer and the Adams plush towel. All you got to do is tell me what the first fish I'm going to catch on this kayak, the size. For example, redfish 14 inches, trout 17.5 inches, and be the right one, and I'll ship it to you. Appreciate you watching this video. Peace, guys.